Good evening. We are amidst a global diabetes epidemic impacting hundreds of millions of lives and straining healthcare systems around the world. Effective and affordable treatments are crucial. A key weapon in our arsenal against type 2 diabetes is sitagliptin. Sitagliptin is one of the best selling oral medications that help control blood sugar levels. It belongs to a class of drugs called DPP-4 inhibitors, which work by increasing the body's natural ability to lower blood sugar. It is often used as a monotherapy or a combination therapy with metformin. The global market for sitagliptin is projected to reach a staggering $60 billion by the year 2031. However, current production methods can be costly and complex, limiting wider accessibility and affordability. Sitagliptin was invented by Merck & Co. under the brand name Januvia, of which the basic compound patent is, has been expired in the year 2022. It can be seen that there is a rise of generic manufacturers for sitagliptin since the year 2022, which is precisely the key to unlocking this multi-billion dollar market opportunity. Existing methods for sitagliptin production can be costly and complex. These methods often involve using a rhodium or ruthenium catalyst with multiple acidic additives. The manufacturer has to bear extra costs due to separate isolation and synthesis of the active catalyst. It can be seen that the latest patent by the inventors are set to expire in the coming few months. NCL's innovative single-step synthesis, which employs a rhodium and ferroline catalyst system, can dramatically simplify sitagliptin production. It can be seen that they can achieve exceptional purity of 99.8% in enantiomeric excess while reducing the number of steps. They have an in situ catalyst generation system which eliminates the cost to separate synthesis and purification. This translates to reduced raw material cost, which are comparable to the commercial values. It can be seen that the sitagliptin which is obtained is significantly higher in yield and purity. The technology is currently at a level of TRL4 and has been demonstrated at 5-gram lab scale. It has been patented with coverage areas in the US and India with a priority date set in 2018. This new method of sitagliptin production proposes the value of a higher enantiomeric excess while getting higher yield compared to the patented process by the original manufacturer Merck. It also has a process for which the catalyst and the ligand system has been protected in India and US markets. Overall, it is a very cost-effective process if it's being scaled up to 10 and 100 times its current volume. Who should be interested in sitagliptin production and why? Pharmaceutical companies and API manufacturers who aim to integrate vertically at various steps in hydrogenation as well as in high pressure catalysis can aim to go for this method. This single step process for sitagliptin offers advantages such as a higher yield, lower cost, reduced waste, and simplified purification. The technology is invented by Dr. Samir Chikkali, who's a chief scientist and professor at National Chemical Laboratory, Pune. He leads a group which focuses on polymer and organometallic catalysis. CSIR-NCL is a leading research and development organization which is internationally known and recognized for its scientific research in chemical engineering, as well as outstanding track record for industrial research involving partnerships with industry from concept to commercialization. Here is a look at various high-tech, sophisticated infrastructure and analytical facilities at NCL. Here are the industrial collaborations which have been carried out by Pomcat Research Group led by Dr. Samir Chikkali. Looking forward, it is possible to scale up this sitagliptin production with a support from industry partners from a 5-gram scale to a pilot scale using continuous flow. This can be done in partnerships with other CSIR labs as well as other industry partners. The inventor is seeking for licensees for technology and IP on as-is, where-is basis. They seek joint development and sponsored R&D partners to help them scale up and advance this technology. For more information, the contact details are available on your screen. Thank you.